Morning everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss the operations of functions. So we have sum, difference, product, and quotient of the given functions. So first we will find the sum of the given functions. So letter A, we have sum. So formula, we have f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Okay, next, substitute what is the value of f of x. So that is 1 over 2 x plus value ng g of x is 4 over x plus 2. Then we need to simplify this one. So to simplify this, we have find the LCD. So to find the LCD, kung ano yung denominator, yan yung LCD. So we have 2x times x plus 12, then 2x, i-divide mo sa 2x, eliminate, so remaining value is x plus 12 times 1 is 1 plus this one, i-divide, so remaining value is 2x times 4, so 4 times 2x. Then we need to simplify. We have x plus 12 plus 8x. This one I multiply over 2x times x plus 12. Then equals. So we have x, like terms, combine like terms, plus 8x, that is 9x plus 12 over 2x times x plus 12. Next, simplify the numerator. What is the common of these two terms? So we have 3. So 9x divided 3, that is 3x. 12 divided 3, that is 4 over 2x times x plus 12. So this is now our final answer.